If you're looking for not only a very convenient but even actually a luxury way of fighting aging, fatigue, general health issues, then I have an awesome thing for you. And so that's this super stylish set which I got from Persic to show you. So beautiful, could also be a great gift, and every bottle here inside contains a whopping 1200 milligrams of NAD plus and a lot of other great stuff. I think in total about 10 different things. And again, it's also super easy to use. We just push here down, then it lifts up one of these bottles here, so we can grab it easily. And so we put the cap here on top, push it fully down, and then you can see it's not perfectly round. It has on one side some kind of a flap which you can really push here inside. Just push really hard. And I hope you heard the clicking. And so we can remove, you can see. So the tip is now here inside and the awesome liquid is here. Not a single drop of this awesome stuff wasted. And so I can use even one of the included straws here, put it here inside and drink it. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Has some kind of a sweetness, tastes so nice, makes me almost addictive to this stuff here. And apart from using the straw, there's also a second very easy option. After removing the tip on one end, you just put it upside down into the glass and then you take again this tip remover, push it fully down. And now I'm doing exactly the same thing on the other end. Watch what happens when I squeeze it again. 1, 2, 3. And you can see how nicely it's flowing here into this glass. Can remove this bottle here. And now I have everything here. Absolutely amazing. This stuff is so nice. So if you want to do something really good for you, which tastes even great, is super convenient to use. You can even take it with you to the gym or so. There's no water needed, no glass needed. You don't have to deal with a messy powder or so. Super convenient here and absolutely clean in these 15 single bottles. But now, of course, also a quick reality test. Despite all the massive hype you see in the media, this is definitely not an overnight miracle or an instant aging reversal solution. Human clinical data on these specific compounds is still in the early stages. However, what you are getting here is a solid blend of capable antioxidants that can be highly beneficial for long-term cellular support. So you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.